The newest chapter of Google Business Group's Philippines, GBG Pangasinan, has set new standards when it held its very first event. On December 14, 2013, the group, led by its manager Vange Padilla, conducted the GBG Pangasinan inaugural meetup. And while other chapters would have opted to spend several hours in a restaurant or a function hall with catered food, GBG Pangasinan chose to stay outdoors and made the event more exciting by island hopping. Held at the famous 100 Islands National Park in Alaminos City, the inaugural meetup focused on the discussion of Google tools that would be very helpful to the attendees. Ms. Padilla welcomed the pioneer members to the group and discussed with them what the group is all about, its undertakings and advocacies. She further explained what it means to be a part of GBG and how she and the others work on a volunteer basis without receiving any salary. After the warm welcome, J.R. Padilla, GBG Dagupan manager, explained the use of Google Maps and how it has helped communities all over the world. He even discussed the benefits of using this tool during calamities where evacuation and donation drop-off centers can be plotted. Even the social networking site of Google, Google+, had been introduced to the participants. EJ Dangla, GBG Pangasinan co-manager, explained its parts and features, comparing the site with other social media networks. The last speaker during the meetup was the other co-manager of GBG Pangasinan, Reginald Agsalon, who talked about Google Drive, how it works and how they can access their files on the go, even without bringing the physical hard drive of their PCs. It was a hot day, but the heat never drained the participants' energy, even if island hopping meant being soaked under the sun's rays. And as they posed for photo ops and auto awesomes and held on to the placeholder as they set foot on each island, they vowed to connect, inform, and inspire.
For Southeast Asia!